Hi, good afternoon. Myself, Anil Annapareddy. Its module is Advanced Programming. My project is EDD Technologies Design Presentation. Presentation Overview. Prototype System for EDD Technologies Repair Center. Replaces legacy spreadsheet-based workflow. Built using Python and Flask. Employs object-oriented design and design patterns. Includes test results and reflections. Is the customer registration and unregistered walk-in booking and square parts management, job allocation, update status, AED technology, center administration, equipment booking, customer technicians, and introduction and use case overview, customer registration and unregistered walk-in booking, square parts management, job allocation. Update status. EDD technologies, equipment booking, customer and center administration technicians. Modern repair center needs scalable digital solutions. Three main users roles: administration, technicians, customer. Use case driven development with role specific functions. Include registration, booking, allocation and notification. Based on Python Flask web application architecture. System architecture and class diagram. Key classes: user admin, technicians, customer equipment, repair job, system phase, centralized service orientation. Abstract classes support inheritance, subtype polymorphism, observe and factory patterns implemented, separation of consequences, single responsibility, application of polymorphism. Subtype polymorphism through abstract user class. User factory creates different user instances dynamically. Notification observe interface enables flexible behavior, allows role-based behavior without changing logic, enhance main- maintainability and extensibility. Design patterns in the system. Credentials, factory pattern, user factory, structural, facade pattern, system facade. Behavioral, observe pattern notification, MVC structure, integrated VE Flask, patterns improve reusability and clarity, custom exceptions like authenticate error, try accept blocks in routes and services, Flask, WTF for CSRF and validation errors, prevents crashes and logs user friendly messages, supports secure and defensive programming, custom acceptance like acceptance handling techniques, custom acceptance like authentication error, try accept blocks in routes and services, flags, WTF for CSRF and validation errors, prevents crashes and logs user-friendly messages, supports secure and defensive programming. Used PyTest for automatic testing, parameterized tests for job allocation, login, equipment booking, exception cases like invalid login tested, confirms functional correctness and robustness, bugs identified and resolved during test runs, unity testing and results. System demo and interface, admin dashboard with supplier and inventory control, technicians panel for job management, customer portal with booking and notification, dynamic templates using Flask and Jinja 2, real-time updates with Flask season and Flash messages, reflections and challenges. Gained hands-on experience with OOP in practice. Learn to decouple components using design patterns. Challenge balancing modulator and with integration. Testing uncovered real-world edge cases. Confident in applying advanced programming techniques. Conclusion and future enhances. The EDD technology's prototype demonstrate how object-oriented principles and design patterns modernize legacy systems. The system promotes modularity and separation of concerns through well-structured class design. Use of patterns like factory and observe enhances extensibility and maintainability. The prototype provides a foundation for a scalable and testable and secure business applications. Future improvements may include database registers and real-time notification mechanisms. The project emphasizes building robust, well-tested software elegant with standard and mode BuzzFeed AR Ruchmercy IF Ancoy 2019 and a MVC model using Python for Flask framework development in processing of the 2019 International Electronic Systems IES-PPP.214-219 IEEE Vetanopcon and Sumlock C and Sarangton P 2022 Python code smell detection using machine learning PPP Algaja and Nibja H 2021 code smell detection using feature selection and stacking Azable and an Imperial Investigation Information and Software Technology 138P 106648 ACB Ajman H 2020 bat smell detection using machine learning technicians a systematic linear review Arabian Journal for Science and Engineering Albezer Al and Alphys are 2024 an observation study and Flask web framework question as on a stack overflow IET software 2024 Bodia PyTest small a smell detection tool for Python unit tests PPP Shamjo Al in 2020 IEEE Symphonies on Visual Language and Human-Centered Computing Scalca J and Drillic M 2023 development of automatic source code evaluation tests using Gray-Bots methods a programming education case study IEEE Access Botches B and Milanova E 2020 on the usability of object-oriented design patterns for a better software quality and cybernetics and information. Luca G. S. and Fraser being automated unit test generation for Python.